Welcome to Homeseeker Park and Leisure Homes. My name's Dave Pollington and I'm the Operations Manager here at our manufacturing facility in Northamptonshire. We've been making homes in this county for about 40 plus years, but this facility was purpose built for us about 8 years ago, designed to take our homes from beginning to end in one factory environment. Our 60,000 square feet of factory is designed to run 2 production lines at the same time, and we can now turn homes around in about 2 weeks. To do that, we use a workforce that's grown in size to now about 150 people, and we have great facilities inside the factory. We have cranes that run the whole length of the building, plenty of facilities for using modern equipment, and it really is a great facility that's the envy of a lot of our competitors. So the build process of your home goes through 9 steps. We start with the floors. That's a critical stage where we have to get the plumbing right and the electrics right that are in the floor cassette. Our floor cassette is insulated, so it's a warm area to keep the pipes and electrics in. We then move on to the second stage, which is erecting the walls. Our walls are all made offline in large sections, and we use the cranes we've got in the factory to then move them onto the home. The walls also take on all the insulation that is in the floor, in the walls, and again in the roof. Step 3 is to put the roof on. We make our roofs all at ground level to make sure the quality is right before we use the cranes then to lift them onto the home. Step 4 is when we start concentrating on the internals of the home and prepping them ready for decoration, bringing the first fit electrics on, and also ensuring that all our external walls have the right amounts of insulation. We now move on to step 5. While the walls are drying internally, we start working on the externals of the home. We offer a huge variety of different finishes, from stucco through to timber cladding, through to Connexall and many other varieties, but that's when we start making your home personal to you. As we move into the second week of the build, we're at step 6 and starting to put in the kitchens and the bedroom furniture. It's areas like the kitchen where we can make a big difference to the customer, making sure what they want is where they want it. At step 7, we're moving into the bathroom and ensuite areas, fitting all the fixtures and fittings that have been specified by you. We're now at step 8 and moving into the finishing touches. Carpets are being laid, second fix electrics are going in. And finally, we've reached step 9, one of the most important steps, where we go through every line of your specification and make sure that we've got everything just right. All our homes are badged and independently inspected so that you can have the peace of mind that we've designed it with the right level of safety, thermal insulation, sound insulation, and all the other important aspects into your home. So that's how we make your quality home. But the other important part of the process is working closely with each and every customer to understand what they want so the home matches the quality of life they're looking for in the future. As part of the process of designing your own home, we encourage all our customers to come down to our show village here in Rushden, where we have a number of homes we can walk around, and we also have an excellent design suite where specifiers will work with you to come up with the perfect home. Over the years, Homeseeker has developed a broad range of homes, both for the residential market and the leisure market. There's lots of different layouts to choose from and lots of different sizes. Our park homes are designed to be different to static caravans because they have to meet residential standards and be capable of being people's permanent place of residence. In the kitchen, we'll help you work out what type of oven you want, the hob, the colour of the worktop, where you want your dishwasher, and lots more. In the lounge, you've got options to choose different colour carpets, the curtain fabrics, or even the sofa fabrics. And in the bathroom, you may want to choose what type of tiles you have, how it's laid out, and the type of taps you want. What makes Homeseeker Park and Leisure Homes the best option for you is that we can combine 40 years of experience in building homes with excellent facilities and an outstanding customer experience. Well, hopefully that's given you a brief insight into what we're about here at Homeseeker Park and Leisure Homes. Please give us a call. We'd love to answer your questions. Come down and see us here at Rushden, and we look forward to seeing you in the future.